Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today I'll be exploring what is veganism and how to market it. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. So first up, let's define veganism. According to the Vegan Society, veganism is a philosophy and way of living which seeks to exclude, as far as is possible and practical, all forms of exploitation of and cruelty to animals for food, clothing, or any other purposes, and by extension promotes the development and use of animal-free alternatives for the benefit of animals, humans, and the environment. Now, in dietary terms, it's the practice of eliminating products derived wholly or partly from animals, and there really are three reasons that people go vegan: to improve their health, to protect the planet, and to save animals. According to Allied Research, the vegan food market size was valued at $14.2 billion in 2018. It's expected to rise to $31.4 by 2026. There are approximately 79 million vegans worldwide. There's also another estimated 375 million vegetarians, and as much as 42% of the population is estimated to be flexarians, who consume both vegan and vegetarian. Now, in marketing terms, there is no single defining demographic. So this wave is now found across really all segments of society, including ones not traditionally associated with veganism. Now, having said this, it's still important when marketing products to understand who is typically buying. So first up, let's look at the demographics for vegans versus vegetarians, because they actually overlap, versus meat eaters. So let's look at the vegetarian cohort first. Interestingly, there's no actual correlation between income or ethnicity for vegetarians. So the notion that a meat-free diet signals privilege is actually not backed up by any criteria. So this is important when it comes to pricing your product. Whilst vegan products are often priced higher, there is a potentially untapped market of people who would buy these products a lot more if they were actually more affordable. In terms of veganism, there are three primary market segments. These are holistic well-being seekers, fitness and lifestyle community, or ethical foodies. For example, holistic well-being seekers might be the best audience to target if you're selling, say, organic superfoods. The fitness and lifestyle community might be the best audience for a non-dairy protein shake, whilst ethical foodies might gravitate towards, say, vegan fast food. I'm happy to say that there are actually more of these sort of McDonald's restaurants for vegans growing in number. So, taking it a step further, some studies have suggested overall vegetarians are more introverted and gravitate toward the non-meat way of being for health reasons, as opposed to holistic well-being seekers and fitness and lifestyle community who tend to be more extroverted. Now, they're motivated by animal rights and other ethical issues in the marketplace. Ethical foodies apparently are more likely to be university educated and politically progressive. The biggest difference between these segments is that the ethical foodies typically stay vegan for about 2.5 years longer than the other two segments. Now, personally, I would take this data with a grain of salt, literally, but it's certainly a good starting point and food for thought. Sorry for all the puns. Yikes. So where should you as a small business start with your marketing? So begin by asking yourself these simple questions. What does the demand for plant-based options look like in my sector? How do I make sure that my plant-based products and services meet customer needs? How can I develop longer-term and profitable relationships with customers? Next, think about your marketing campaign. So, for this, goals can include increasing awareness for vegan friendly products, services, or your business itself. And of course, driving new revenue. Now, a great place to start is with a digital campaign. So, first, plan for a successful expansion or pivot to engage the vegan market within your sector. So build awareness of your vegan-friendly offering or plan to create one. Encourage interactions on plant-based relevant content to generate leads. Persuade your audience to buy your vegan or plant-based goods and services. Increase sales from existing customers by improving personalized communications relevant to their previous vegan choices. Now, needless to say, there are a myriad of choices depending on your business, and these do include search engine optimization, content marketing, pay-per-click advertising, affiliate marketing, native advertising, sponsored content, email marketing, social media marketing, and of course, there's inbound marketing as well. But for now, I would say let's focus on social media marketing. So with more than half of the world using social media, leveraging these platforms really is a must. From younger to older populations, your prospects are waiting for you to engage on these different platforms. Facebook is an effective channel for reaching different demographics. You can choose to place ads, write articles, or join the conversation in different Facebook groups. This is all about the two-way dialogue you create and the buzz around your brand. Instagram, fabulous tool for showcasing your products, whether in stills or short videos. I highly recommend behind-the-scenes videos that showcase the people behind your brand. TikTok, rising star in the social media world. Needless to say, you don't have to post dancing videos. Your channel could be all about you and your brand, showing off your product, showing people eating or wearing your product if it's clothing, snappy videos that talk about the benefits of going vegan, and so on and so on. LinkedIn, I want to also mention because it's great for generating conversation about your brand, especially if you do specialize in the more B2B arena. YouTube, if you got the time, is great to produce videos that showcase, say, vegan recipe videos as an example. Pinterest, users really are true shoppers who check out this platform and make purchases based on those. I've really known quite a few businesses that generate significant interest on this platform. Needless to say, you can't be on every platform, so each one takes significant time to learn what resonates with that audience. So you need to craft content that fits with that particular platform. So my advice is don't try to take on too much, but do what you can and do it well. Now, I should point out that there are a few barriers to marketing vegan food. The first one is taste. So this is the main reason meat eaters don't go vegan or vegetarian, and it's the main reason vegetarians actually go back to eating meat. There's also a perception that vegan food will taste bland and boring. So, how do you overcome this? Well, I can speak from personal experience that vegan food can taste great if prepared properly. So, make sure to showcase the amazing ways that vegan food can be presented, as well as getting testimonials from people, especially, again, using video. Second biggest barrier is health. If you can believe it, many people don't really know the health benefits of eating vegan food. They may also believe that less tasty equals more healthy. So this is actually a common misconception. In other words, a burger and fries with all that oil and fat must taste better. So your task is to tackle that and dispel this myth. The third is that people think it will be inconvenient to go vegan. So you need to showcase that there are now more than ever so many options out there, and these are really growing by the day. Also, with little preparation, you can make great tasting vegan food. There are also some fabulous takeout options available to consumers, and these are growing. The last reason is possible social isolation. So some people are actually worried that their friends, family, and society as a whole will judge them for going vegan. So why can't they just be like everybody else and enjoy a good barbecue with friends? So the trick is to show that veganism really is becoming widespread. It's a choice for a variety of reasons. And it's cool. Cooler than me eating a pig or a cow. Just my opinion. So, the upshot is you certainly have your work cut out to you, but this is an exciting time in the food and clothing industry and beyond. And you too can be part of the wave for change. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And please, please, please share so that other people can enjoy my videos as well. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content and you never miss an episode. Or please connect with me on LinkedIn. Those links, as usual, are below. I'll see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned. And together, let's solve it like a marketer.